Looks like they have Walmart exclusives. Yeah, they dropped the Walmart. Let's see. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can buy it. So we went to another Target because they've been randomly dropping some good stuff. So let's check the pegs. Let's see if we can find us that elusive Cybertruck. Oh, we have another drop here. Oh, did we miss it again? Because I see some good casting moving parts. So, oh, he must have dropped it. Oh my goodness. Oh man, we missed it? Did we miss the drop? Okay. Oh, we'll keep on hunting. Let's see what we can find. Let's see. Anything shiny? We're hoping to see if we can get a super for that Defender. I haven't been seeing a lot of the main lines. You know, I haven't had a good luck on this Defender. They're all main lines. Ugh. There's a lot of peg warmers for that Honda. Got an FJ here. Got a Toyota. And that's it. Huh. I wonder if this is an error. It's not the same color. It's supposed to be red. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, this peg has been scanned through. I don't see anything good. Yep, I don't see any Ferrari. Anytime you don't see a Ferrari, that means it's been scanned and picked. So, alright, till the next store. We're trying our luck on an afternoon Walmart hunt, so let's go and check it. Okay, let's go ahead and check the pegs. Oop. Really? That lady was she was trying to run me over. Let's see what we can find. Let's see. Looks like someone's been here already. We're looking at the premiums. I don't see anything. Well, nothing good at least. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. All the good ones are gone. This is what happens if you go in the afternoon. There's not much left. Okay, so we found the number 3 on this mystery model Hot Wheels. So this is number 3, so it should be the Mustang Shelby. It's the 350R, so let's go ahead and open it. I'm not sure if I can open it with one hand. Hold on. So let's see. Oh. Okay, my phone died on me. So this is your new mystery model number 3. It's a GT350R Mustang Shelby. So this is what it looks like. We found number 1 and number 2 earlier during the week, but we wanted to see what this Mustang looks like because I left like maybe 4 of them back in Walmart, and since we have them, I wanted to check it first before we, you know, if we want to keep this or not. So yeah, so this is the new mystery model for 2025. So this is number 3 on this set. So we have yet to open number 1 and number 2 because we haven't have. I want to keep one in the plastic bag and keep some on you know, open and loose. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. And there you have it, folks. We saw an OG truck. It looks like it's a Chevy. Yep, it's a Chevy. Okay, another Walmart random afternoon hunt. Let's see what we can find. So we're trying our luck. This is an experiment for the Pokemon line. We were number 28 on the line. So apparently, if you are gonna go in line for the Pokemon cards, you would have to give your number and your name to the customer service, so that then when your numbers is up, you'll just have to go to the pegs and have them, and then you just show your number or your name, and they'll get you the Pokemon cards or the box that you want. So that's how Target is now organizing and how you pay for Pokemon. So that's a little bit of a backstory in this. So I'm experimenting on, you know, how, why, and why they're having a long ass line on those Pokemon cards. So we're not really into it, we're just testing it. All right, just to let you know, I'll keep you guys updated. Back to your main line. We're gonna see if we can find that pesky Cybertruck. I hope nobody wants it and they just left it, but they're leaving this Volkswagen. Ugh. Are we gonna have another one? No. Oh no. They're not having it. They don't have any green light, white lightning. So let's see. Is there anything on the pegs? Let's see if there's a lot of collectors. Wonder if we can find some good premium ones. We're not finding it. I'm not too cool about this Porsche though, even though it's $499. So we picked up this Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the BKs, and we're gonna start to compare that to the mystery model that we just got earlier. So we'll open one of these guys and look at it carefully. So we got the box. We only got one. Apparently this one is like 49 bucks. And then we got 3 of the DPCI. I don't know what the heck they are, but all of these cost like 70 bucks. So that's it. So our experiment is very expensive. So I was told that some people that are in line are not really, you know, into the cars. They just resell them. And so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this at the moment. I am debating what to do with them because I just got curious on how much they are. So I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna keep doing this or not, but I'll keep doing my research about this, guys. So stay tuned. 70 bucks, my goodness.
This is our very first Pokemon trading card.
First time you're gonna open it.
Okay.
So,
oh, wait, is
okay,
it?
open it.
Oh, you get it from here.
Yeah, just rip it.
Okay, hang on.
Go ahead, just rip it.
My bad. Okay.
Take it out. Alright.
Ooh, I like this one. Alright.
I'm gonna show. So this is a Phantasmal Flames. There you go.
Hey, let me get
No,
this.
no, just rip it apart. There you go.
Okay. Let's see what we got here.
Just rip it. So how are you gonna do it?
Gonna do something. Okay. We're gonna. Ooh, okay, 3. What do we have?
Oh, slowly, what's that? We have
Purple. Smear coat.
closer. Is it shiny? What is that?
That's the shiny. We have Toxel. We have Bronzer. We have Mammal Swine. We have a Secret Charm.
That's a trainer card.
We have a Leonie.
What's
We
that?
have Crow.
Coco?
Ooh.
What's that? Ooh, what's this?
Oh, Mega Gengar.
Oh, you got a Mega Gengar.
Ooh.
Ooh, what is? What is that Mega Gengar? Oh my God, you got a Mega Gengar.
Ooh.
Whoa.
What's okay? Then I have another shiny one over here.
Okay, we gotta check this guy. This is a Mega Gengar.
Okay.
All right. Whoa. Oh, okay. I
And
don't know what
then-
it is, but it looks like it's a good one. Look.
Alright. Let's see what the price is.
Okay.